Welcome back to Add Art. Today's Add Art was suggested by a little lad called Pauli from Helsinki in Finland. He asked me to draw cats in space. I thought that sounded out of this world and lots of fun, so that's what we're going to do. Now, before we start, just a quick reminder to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be the first to know when I've uploaded a new drawing. Okay, strap yourself in because we're about to blast off. First we'll start by drawing the cat's nose, then its eye, its other eye, pupils looking out at us, and his cheeks, and the furry part of his face at the bottom. Let's put his smile in. He's happy to be floating around in space. We'll put his tongue in. His little chin. Some dots on his cheeks. Bring this up towards his pointy ears. Do the insides. And some hair on the top. And the other ear. If I am going too fast, remember you can always pause the video, catch up and then hit play. Just finish off his head there. We'll put his arm in outstretched as he floats through space. We'll put this like a sealed spacesuit. Little paw in gloves. Again, his body drifting along at an angle. Put one of his legs sticking out here. Put his shoe in here, some moon boots. The same stripe design on them as the arms. Bring the body round. Put his other leg in, just dangling down. Second moon boot. A tail. Put this in. And that would have to go inside his spacesuit as well. The other arm. His right paw. Maybe he's got grippy bits on the gloves that look like cat paws. Let's give him a belt. Maybe zip down the front. Some sort of logo. International Cat Space Exploration. Cat 1 could be the name of the ship. Some buttons and dials. Okay, Well, he wouldn't last very long without a helmet, so let's put one on. My son thought this cat should be called Captain Tiddles. So there's Captain Tiddles all sealed in. Just putting these little details on the lines that I drew on the arms and the legs, and it just makes it look a little more metallic, almost like there's a reflection. It's very cold in space, so he should be nice and warm inside his spacesuit. Just put some shine on the bottom of his trousers there, his metal trousers. Now, let's draw the ship that got him up into space in the first place. Might look a bit like a space shuttle, but given they're cats, might have ears. Bring that round. Put a second ear in. And a window. It might be watched over by two other cats piloting it. There's the thrusters. Attach him at the back here with an oxygen supply. This tube's getting slightly thinner as it returns to the ship in the distance. Gives a sense of distance and perspective. Okay, let's finish off this cat ship with a smile. We can put some lines on the tube. They'll get closer together as they get further away. Okay, let's put a planet in the distance here. A bit like Saturn. It might be a strange new world. It might be a planet we've never heard of. It's covered in spots. You can design your planet however you want. You could have swirls on it, or lines, or zigzags. Entirely up to you. Just have some fun with it. Okay, let's give Captain Tiddles a crewmate. Another cat here taking a spacewalk. Put the nose in. Smiling mouth. Two eyes again. They're looking over Captain Tiddles. Bit cheeky, got his tongue sticking out there. Okay, let's put the body in. Now this cat seems to be having lots of fun. Lying back. Legs sticking out. Put moon boots in. And another one. Belt him. Just finish the bottom of the body there. And let's put the right arm in. And the left. We need the paws. Bit of detail on the body. on the arms. Better attach the helmet again. Have another oxygen tube leading off from the ship. Okay, let's put a planet down below here. Perhaps this one's a bit like Earth, but instead of intelligent humans, it's full of intelligent cats. It's got its own strange moon floating above it. These craters on the sides and in the middle. Who knows what lives inside there? Maybe space dogs. Okay, let's put some stars in. So come down and out. And down. Again. We can just put a few of these across the page. It almost looks like light emanating from a central point. And when you colour it in, you could also put some little dots as well, just to indicate stars further away in the distance. I think that's looking good. Oh, one thing we forgot. We need to put a tail in on this crew member here. There we go. And there we have it. There are our cats in space. I hope you've enjoyed drawing along with that one, Powley. Now, before I go, do remember to check out my other videos and to subscribe. And if you've enjoyed drawing this, please do give me a thumbs up like, as it really helps my channel grow and for other people to see Add Art. And finally, if you know someone who loves to draw, then please do share Add Art with them. But that's it for today, and I'll see you next time on Add Art. Bye for now.